出咗隻新機，不如夾錢買啊！
好啊，但係聖誕我想去旅行，情人節我仲要買禮物，冇錢剩喎。
錢唔係咁使嘅，靚仔，得嘅，留錢都好啊！
大時大節一使大咗就好頭痕。喂老友，搞個理財規劃就冇有怕啦。哎呀，計錯數過唔到關添。
錢係要使，但係要識得使。
錢家確係有道，個個跟我學理財，錢家有道。
M&M 新出咗爆脆米咯！
做咩啫你？
同 fans 講脆爆嘅爆脆米嚟啦！
唔係呢個 fans 啊？
咁係呢個咧
？No，
上邊嗰個屋隔離房
爆脆米 fans 新趣味。
唔係啊嘛，未 save 㗎喂！啊，又搞咩咧？轉個 mood，KFC 陪你唞唞。KFC 再度聯成披薩克，蒜蓉包脆雞超人氣歸來，蒜香牛油同脆雞夾到爆，即刻開 app 落單啦 ！KFC 只嘗回味。
何？睇看呢？咦，蟹肉可樂餅嚟咗麥當勞，炸到脆卜卜，食落仲好 creamy。麥當勞全新蟹肉可樂餅漢堡同滋味蝦堡套餐都係39蚊咋，仲可以儲齊黐卡哇啲限定包裝添。黐卡哇啲大型特展8月1號開始啦，尖沙咀見。
喺呢度，我哋會笑、大笑、傻笑，我哋會感動、激動、心動。呢度就係夢想開始嘅地方，而家就嚟同我哋一齊深信奇妙香港迪士尼樂園。
呢度係緊急廣播系統，依個信息係由衛生署發出，呢個唔係演習。以下地區即時生效：香港島、九龍、新界。請市民留喺屋企，唔好外出，保持冷靜，避免任何不必要嘅移動。
This is an emergency broadcast system. This is a message that is issued at the request of the Department of Health. This is not a test. Effective indefinitely for the following areas: Hong Kong Island, Kowloon, and the New Territories. Do not leave your current location or residence. Stay indoors, remain calm, and avoid unnecessary movement.
狂暴病毒 Rage Virus 最初喺澳洲爆發，已經造成超過18000人死亡。依家病毒已經傳入香港，一名由澳洲非法登機嘅乘客喺3個鐘頭前抵港。該名人士目前仍然身份不明，亦被保安局列為通緝犯。佢攜帶嘅係致命狂暴病毒，存活率低於2%。保安局宣布懸紅港幣500萬元，如市民提供消息，生死不拘。政府確認至少43宗感染個案，分佈喺尖沙咀、旺角、銅鑼灣同沙田等地。消息指出，病毒正快速喺公共交通同人多地方擴散。
The Rage virus, which began in Australia and has killed more than 18,000 people, has spread to Hong Kong after a passenger from Australia traveled illegally on a flight 3 hours ago. The individual, who has not yet been identified, is a wanted fugitive by the Security Bureau for carrying a deadly rage virus with a survival rate of less than 2% into Hong Kong. The Security Bureau has issued a bounty of $5 million Hong Kong dollars for information leading to the capture, dead or alive, of the infected fugitive. As of now, the Hong Kong government has confirmed at least 43 infections across Tsim Sha Tsui, Mong Kok, Causeway Bay, and Sha Tin. Reports indicate the virus is rapidly spreading through public transport systems and densely populated shopping areas.
即日起，香港國際機場所有本地同國際航班暫停。商店、學校、政府機構必須即時關閉。政府同時要求香港海洋公園同香港迪士尼樂園即時停止營運。港鐵服務有可能隨時中斷，請市民盡量留喺安全地方。現時有旺角地鐵站暴力襲擊事件同時代廣場恐慌性疏散， 相信與早期感染有關。
Effective immediately, all local and international flights at Hong Kong International Airport are suspended. Businesses, government offices, and schools are ordered to close immediately. The government has also instructed Ocean Park Hong Kong and Hong Kong Disneyland to suspend all operations until further notice. MTR services may halt without warning, and citizens are urged to remain in safe indoor locations. Notable incidents include violent attacks in Mong Kok Station and mass panic evacuations near Times Square, believed to be linked to early-stage infections.
狂暴病毒症狀包括高燒、極度攻擊性、眼睛充血、肌肉痙攣、暴躁行為，喺感染後20分鐘內出現。市民應該避免接觸陌生人，封好門窗，唔好嘗試接近或制服感染者。如果懷疑自己感染，請立即通知緊急服務並自我隔離。此信息會重複播放。我哋會盡快為你更新最新情況。
Symptoms of the rage virus are as follows: sudden fever, uncontrollable aggression, bloodshot eyes, extreme muscle spasms, and violent behavior within 20 minutes of exposure. All citizens should avoid all contact with strangers, barricade doors and windows, and refrain from attempting to approach or capture infected individuals. If you suspect infection, report immediately to emergency services and isolate yourself in a secure room. This message will repeat. We will update you on this developing situation as soon as possible.